Want to build electronics but struggling with schematics? Can't identify components? Unsure about wiring? Don't know how to set resistor or capacitor values? PCBAHelp assists you in designing fully functional schematics based on your requirements, ensuring 100% usability while reducing your costs. First, enter our video homepage and click on our website. Sliding down is our 8 major business areas, showcasing what we can help you with. You only need 5 minutes to click on the green button to send your request and jump to the ordering page. This is our project schedule management, convenient for you to follow up at any time. Then flip to our previous page and click to jump to the order page. Choose your requirements, design schematic or PCB. Below you can enter the name of the product project you want to do, the project requirements, or upload your requirements file. EDA software can be chosen by oneself, then describe briefly the field of application. Please select according to your needs, including sample quantity, budget, and country, email and your phone information. Please provide your real information for us to contact via email in the future. Once completed, you can submit and we will provide you with a response within 1 business day. Submitted successfully.